Now let's have a look at an overview demo to SAP HANA Cloud. First, you need to have an SAP BTP account. In this case, I'm using my trial. So first, go to your trial account, global account, and then open the sub account which have the enabled Cloud Foundry environment. And then go to space. I already have created one space named dev and open the space dev, and you will have the associate SAP HANA Cloud entry associated with your BTP account. Click the SAP HANA Cloud, and then you will see the you can create a new HANA database or HANA database data lake. I would like to open the HANA Cloud Central by click the Manage HANA Cloud. You will open here. What I would like to do here, I would like to open accessing the tables with the HANA DB Explorer. Simply click DB Explorer where I have it open here. So if I go to my Bookshop DB, which is actually the SDI I have deployed from my CAP project. And if you look at the table, and then I having the exact table, the books or the customer where we have I have defined in my CAP project, and then the data I have prepared in the CSV file, 10,000 of books here. Keyword with Teddy Robinson. Let's have a look at the data as well. If I open up the data here, you see I already loaded the data when I run the CAP project for the first time here. Now when I run the CAP project, this is my bookshop user interface. You have a books catalog. If I open the book catalog, and then I can view all of the books in my book catalog. And then as you can see, you remember the first one is Keep Up with Teddy Robinson here, where I have in the author and then the price information. Okay, here I'm using the HANA database serving as my the bookshop online bookshop solution to help me to manage my bookshop here. And the second demo I would like to showing you, which is also in the presentation, we would like to implement the book recommendation machine learning algorithm to recommend the books based on the a customer's history or purchase pattern in this case. To doing so, we would like to leveraging the embedded HANA machine learning capability within SAP HANA Cloud, and as well without moving the data out of the SAP HANA, and then treat the model and serve the model, and then eventually the model can be serving to the bookshop solution. So when the end customer they enter the new order from the bookshop solution, and then we can recommend a book based on the history purchase pattern in this case. To doing so, I already prepared Jupyter Notebook. If you are the data scientist or data engineer, it should be familiar for you, the Jupyter Notebook, which is very popular in the data science world. In this case, what I'm going to show you is we're going to train a model using the market basket analyze algorithm within the HANA ML, which is the part of the HANA predictive analytics library, PAL in this case. And then we will connect to the data. We'll connect to the data, especially connect to all of the sales order lines in the last 10 years in this case. And then to build the model, here the code you're seeing the code here is the Python machine learning client for the SAP HANA ML, where you can have in the built-in Python client to connect to the HANA table, and then to involving the HANA machine learning model, and then we are going to train the model with the data within the sales order data within our bookshop solution in SAP HANA Cloud without moving the data out of SAP HANA, and leveraging the computing power of our SAP HANA server in-memory engine, the script server in this case, to train the model and then to serve the model in here. And then you also can save the model within HANA, and later on you can serving the model using the SAP Data Intelligence pipeline here. And then as a result, and our Bookshop solution, they can call the machine learning serving API using the RESTful interface. Here I conclude the overview demo for SAP HANA Cloud.